kakor dež na žejno prst, naj ti na veke liže san. S tihim glasom poje pesem, iz spomina pride v misel in odniha, ko da ne najde odziva na svoj klic. Glas, ki me je svoj čas s pesmijo uspaval, blago mi zveni. Kakor dež na žejno prst, naj ti na veke liže san. Vodim svoj korak po svoji volji, ko večina vedno bira isto pot. Ne bom ti rekla dvakrat, zdaj veš, kako to gre. Preden me nič več ne obudi, preden se mi stemni, kakor dež na žejno prst, naj ti na veke liže san. S tihim glasom poje pesem, iz spomina pride v misel in odniha. I am a man of constant sorrow. I've seen trouble all my days. I bid farewell to old Kentucky, the place where I was born and raised, the place where he was born and raised. For 6 long years I've been in trouble. Many years on earth I found, for in this world I'm bound to ramble. I have no friends to help me now. He has no friends to help him now. You can bury me in some deep valley for many years where I may lay. Then you may love to love another while I am sleeping in my grave, while he is sleeping in his grave. I'm just a stranger, my face you'll never see no more. But there is one promise that is given, I'll meet you on God's golden shore. He'll meet you on God's golden shore. Maybe your friends think I'm just a stranger, my face you'll never see no more. But there is one promise that is given, I'll meet you on God's golden shore. He'll meet you on God's golden shore.
Pričevanja ostarelega sukača plošč.
Ja, kuk je to lepo, ko vidim punkse na partijih.
Afterparty. Termin za neukrotljiva ušesa in neustavljiva telesa.
You got to move.
Že spet novo leto.
You got to move.
Novo nadaljevanje.
You got to move.
Jutranjih glasbenih praks.
You got to move.
Afterparty.
But when the Lord
Tokrat glas in kitara.
gets ready,
Dua terapin.
you got to move.
Za ušesa.
You may be high,
Na voljo v torek,
you may be low,
5. januarja,
you may be rich, child,
okoli 10.
you may be poor.
Samo na Radiu Študent, seveda brez recepta.
But when the Lord